Have you ever found yourself stuck in an old basic environment, wondering how to escape? It can be quite the puzzle, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve the mystery of exiting Microsoft GW Basic, IBM BASICA, and similar dialects of BASIC. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you type commands like end, exit, or even Control-C, and nothing seems to work. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users have faced the same issue, and it can feel like you're trapped in a time machine. So here's the specific question we're tackling today. How do you exit from the old BASIC editor prompt? One user mentioned trying various commands without success, and they wondered if everyone had to restart their machine just to get out. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. Understanding the issue is key. These old BASIC environments can be tricky, and the commands we expect to work often don't. But don't worry, we'll break down the steps to help you exit smoothly. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your experience with these old systems much easier. To exit Microsoft GW Basic, IBM BASICA, or similar dialects of BASIC, the user should first ensure they are at the BASIC prompt. This is typically indicated by a question mark or a line number. Next, the user can type the command system at the prompt. This command is specifically designed to exit the BASIC interpreter and return to the operating system. If the user is still unable to exit, they can try pressing the Control key and the Break key simultaneously. This key combination can interrupt the current process and return to the prompt. Lastly, if none of these methods work, the user may need to restart their computer. However, this should be a last resort, as the previous methods are typically effective. Fun fact, did you know that BASIC was one of the first programming languages designed for beginners? It's amazing how far we've come since then, but sometimes those old systems can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution to exit Microsoft GW Basic or IBM BASICA is to use the Control-Z command. This sends an end-of-file character, which can terminate input. If that doesn't work, you can also try typing the command system. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One alternative solution to exit Microsoft GW Basic or IBM BASICA is to use the Control-Break command while output is being redirected. This will effectively exit the BASIC environment. Additionally, you can use the shell command to return to the MS-DOS command shell. Here's a pro tip. If you frequently work with these old systems, consider keeping a list of useful commands handy. It can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. You should now be able to exit Microsoft GW Basic, IBM BASICA, and similar environments with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!